Hello guys, this is Kesila Luxury Skincare. We are going to be doing our WIP soap. Okay, this WIP soap is a base soap, and this base soap you're going to use it to do different things. You can use it to do your mulatto soap, your shaprapra soap, your brightening soap, your whitening soap. So you will use it for different things, but I'm going to show you guys how to do this base soap. I've measured out all my measurement here. Okay, this is a 100 gram badge that I'm making. Okay, I've put all my measurement in it. I put my SCI into it. I put 300 gram of SCI into it. SCI is a surfactant. It acts as a cleansing agent. Okay, it helps to create lather by reducing the surface tension of the water. It also helps the soap to spread and cleanse the skin effectively. Okay, we put 300 gram of our SCI. Okay, we put 250 gram of our cocoa betaine or cocoa betaine. It serves several purposes in a soap. Okay, it's a foam stabilizer and maintains the foam produced by the soaps. It helps to improve the lifespan and consistency of the lather of this soap. It's also a thickening agent. Is here we have 250 gram here. We put our stearic acid too. Our stearic acid is we use 200 gram of our stearic acid here. Okay, stearic acid is a hardening agent. That's what will make this soap to harden. It's a WIP soap, but what will make it to thick is the stearic acid. Okay, it's a hardening agent. It also acts as a emulsifying agent. It helps in facilitating the mixing of the oil and water in the soap. It also helps to create a uniform mixture. Well, the last one we put here, okay, the last one we put here is vegetable glycerin. Okay, we put 150 gram of vegetable glycerin. Okay, vegetable glycerin is a humidifiant. It has an excellent moisturizing property, and it acts as a humidifiant. It attracts and retains moisture on the skin. Okay, it will help to retain the moisture in the skin and makes the soap not to be a harsh soap. This soap, a sensitive skin person can use it. A hard skin person too can use it. And the last we put is our water. Okay, our water is just we put 100 gram of 20 gram, we put 100 gram of distilled water in it. Now we are going to double boil it for it to melt. Okay, we are going to double boil the soap. Okay guys, this is the base soap that's melted. Okay, so we're going to cover it. By tomorrow we'll whip it and we'll turn it to whatever we want to use it for, either our lightening, our whitening, our brightening, or scrub. So this is the base soap. Whip it tomorrow. Okay guys, this is how our WIP soap looks like. Okay, after staying overnight, this is how it looks like. This is how the soap, you can see how yummy and beautiful it is. This is our WIP soap. This is how it looks like. So good. Sorry about the noise. Yeah, this is it. Like this WIP soap now, you can use it to do many things. You can use it to formulate your scrub. You can use it to formulate your lightening soap. You can use it to formulate your exfoliating soap. You can use it to formulate your whitening soap. Yes, this is how it is. Thank you guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to support us, and we will be giving you back to back good, interesting formulations that you can use and formulate in your house with just little cost. Okay, thank you guys. Subscribe, like, and follow us.